wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm good.
I hope you are in the good conditions, stay healthy and positive. Okay class, before we start our lesson, let's pray together. Pray begin.
Amin.
Finish? Okay, now I will check your attendance. You can raise your hand and say present when I call your name. Okay?
Okay.
Arif Prihatini,
Present.
Vicky Wafara Amali,
Present.
Mayfud Zuliana.
Yes, I am.
Okay, thank you. Nice. Okay, class. In the previous meeting, we have learned about respiration. Do you remember that respiration is divided into two?
Yes, Miss.
Anything?
Aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration.
Yes, that's right. What is aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration?
Aerobic respiration is respiration that requires oxygen, while anaerobic respiration is respiration that does not require oxygen.
Yes, that's right, Mayfoot. And at this meeting, we will learn about anaerobic respiration by conduction on experiment. The name is the effects of glucose and anaerobic respiration. The learning objectives at this meeting are that students are able to do practicum or experiment of anaerobic respiration. The students are able to know the process of anaerobic respiration. The students are able to know the substance product from the process of anaerobic respiration and are able to present a report on the results of the respiration that have been carried out. Okay? So later we will do a practical about simple anaerobic respiration. Before that, let's know about what is anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration is a respiration process that does not require oxygen. One example of this process is the fermentation process. Alcoholic fermentation is one of anaerobic respiration. Alcoholic fermentation is carried out by anaerobic bacteria and yeast. Alcoholic fermentation can occur in the process of making wine and tapai. Alcoholic fermentation process must be carried out in a closed container because once a container is opened, it will disrupt the fermentation process and allow the growth of the microorganisms. Okay, class? Now let's start the practicum activities this morning. Okay?
Okay.
Okay guys, the tools and materials needs for this practicum are as follows. 1 tool, plastic bottles, balloons, funnel, and spoon. And the material is fermipans or yeast, sugar, and warm water. Now pay close attention to the steps it works. Number 1, prepare 3 bottles and label them A, B, and C. Number 2, put a spoonful of yeast into each bottle with the help of a funnel. Number 3, put 2 spoons of sugar in the bottle B and put 5 spoons of sugar in bottle C. Number 4, after that, we give 1 glass of warm water in each bottle. Number 5 is shake the bottle until all the ingredients are mixed evenly. Number 6, the final dip that needs to be done is to close the bottle using a balance. Number 7, wait for a few minutes until you see a difference in each treatment of bottle. And number 8, then record the result of observation in the observation table. Okay class, now you will do the practicum in groups. Divide into 3 groups. For group 1, the leader is Mefut Zuliana.
Yes, Miss.
And for the group 2, the leader is Ari Prihatini. And for group 3, the leader is Vicky Wafara Amali. Okay?
Okay.
Now, please join your respective group. Prepare the tools and materials to be used and start the practicum. You must write down the result of your observation in the available observation column. If there are difficult letters, you can ask, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go! Okay guys, because the practicum activities have been complete, now we will present a temporary report on the result of the fermentation practicum. Please, from group 1 to present the result of the practicum.
Okay, Miss. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 1. We will present about our practicum, anaerobic respiration. From the first one, bottle A with no sugar treatment produce balloon the remain as they were in the initial condition. And the second, bottle B treat with 2 spoon and sugar result in an upright and slightly enlarged balloon. And the last, bottle C treat with 5 spoons of sugar result in a balloon that be upright and larger in size. Okay, thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Give applause for Group 1. Thank you for Group 1. Okay guys, today you have learned and done practical work on alcoholic fermentation. Now we conclude together. We know that fermentation is a process of living of the process of decomposing food by microorganisms which take place in an anaerobic stage which does not require oxygen from the free air. Alcoholic fermentation occurs from the conversion of glucose into alcohols and carbon dioxide. Before we end the class, for the assignment, the name making a practicum report relates to today's practicum activities and submitting it the next meeting in the writing format that I have given us before. Any questions, class?
Nothing, Miss.
Well, I seems that you understand everything, right?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. To end today's learning activities, let's pray together. Pray together.
Amin.
Finish. Thank you, class. See you in the next meeting. Stay healthy and positive. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
You're welcome.